This is Vanern, one of the biggest lakes in Europe, with over 5,500 square kilometers. That's more than 780,000 football fields. This is where we determine who's best. This is where the men are separated from the boys. This is Predatortour Sweden 2025, the official Scandinavian Championship Predator fishing. 60 teams, 120 anglers, all fighting for that one trophy. So strap yourselves in and start your engine, because this is going to be a bumpy ride all the way to the final minute. We have a great team of marshals making sure all the rules are followed. That means no barbed hooks and no live fishing. This competition is casting only. The minimum size for a pike to count is 80 centimeters. So it's safe to say that this is a big fish competition. Back at the head office, each fish is checked very carefully. The difference between first and second place can literally be a few millimeters. Each morning at the ramp you can feel the tension building as the participants prepare the gear. Although this is a very serious competition with some of the best anglers participating, the atmosphere is always friendly and in the spirit of a good sportsmanship. We have a captain's meeting to discuss the weather and other safety concerns every day. This helps the event to run smoothly, but more important, keeps everyone safe. We provide each participant with a boat sticker, making other participants easy to recognize for everyone. Finally, we are very proud of our long-term sponsors who have been with us for day one. Some of them also brought some cool new equipment.
Hi, my name is Tommy and I work for a company called Ursuit, and we are a manufacturer of dry suits from Finland. We are going to participate in the tournament, fishing tournament Predatortour, and we are also a partner for this, so we are sponsoring this event here in Sweden and also in Holland. And we have been a partner for these events for several years and still continuing as long as they are going to be organized. So it's always very nice to be here fishing, and yeah, for next year we have a few new products like this green jacket will come out next spring. Then we have some new facelifts and things on our dry suits. So check them out. They will come roll out in spring 2026.
Yeah, so How to Rise and the Predatortour. I have been partner since, I believe, 2018 or 17. I do not know exactly anymore. This is our brand new Predatortour. Since around about July, beginning of July on the market. This rod is extremely fast, made with a brand new Toray blank. The name is T1100. This is the finest material at the moment at the market. And I use this rod in pike fishing. This is the 8 till 38 grams. I use this for small lures like this one. This is a Crazy Rapid Junior from Bim Tackle. And for this lure it's perfect. So you can cast around about 70 meters with that lure. And that's really, really good if the pikes are spooky and don't like the noise of the engine or the trolling motor or else. So that's really, really fine.
we started the day with almost crashing into a seagull. Fast forward to nothing during the whole day, and then the end of the day we finally managed to get a big one. But yeah, the line snapped, and then we pretty much died inside and wanted to give up this shit that we felt that everything was. And later on we finally got our revenge and totally jumped up a few spots with a 107. So that's the end of Predatortour. Yeah,
Yes.
total disappointment. We lost too many fish today, or these 3 days for us to be at the top.
We are Team Småland Sportfiske Finnmarksbåt Sverige, and we are a proud partner of Predatortour since a few years back, and we are pumped to get out on the lake and fish some big pikes.
It's always a special experience when you're out on the lake here. We need still one more fish for the full cart. Actually, we're pretty confident that we will manage, unless something like the first day happen again. We lost a nice fish that broke the net. First fish after half an hour. It's really hard to keep the motivation and the spirit up then. But we fought hard. We got a nice 108 after, and that kind of fish gives you a lot of motivation.
Jawohl, Alter! Gib mir 5, Mann!
Let's go today.
Let's go. Catch a big one.
Catch a big one.
Ja!
We brought with us a nice Pega multiliner in a black coating. And what makes the Pega unique to others is the self-centering system. The nice thing of the self-centering bar is that it moves when you drive on your boat. It tilts to the front and it makes it very easy to drive your boat on the trailer. As soon as you drive the boat on the trailer, these guides align the boat straight, and when you drive it on, it's always centered. And here we are, the boat on the Pega multiliner. Jordi drives the boat, and he only needs to be approx in the center of the trailer. The rest, the alignment of the trailer, goes by itself. Now he touches the multi-rolls and he aligns on the trailer. And now the heavy part comes.
Okay, so we're here at the Predatortour 2025. We have 3 teams representing the CWC, and it will be nice to be back at the location of the Åmål Harbor and see what Vanern has to bring us for the upcoming 3 days. Yeah, we haven't been doing a lot of pre-fishing, but we had a competition in other part of the lake last weekend, which was good. We ended up first place, so we have some fishing in the hands for these days, and hopefully it will help us.
We are looking forward to fish here again. We fish here 10-15 times, and the best with this lake is it's quite big pikes. If you find them, there are many big pikes.
Of course, the goal is to end up as high as possible, but the intern show is the most important, so at least we need to beat these guys.
Ale nie miałem, no bałem się, kurwa. Yeah! Yeah!
We are Team Land, team number 51.
51, yeah.
Yeah. And we only are able to catch one big pike, 1.10 meters.
Kom, da is er! Da is er! Ik heb hem! Ik heb hem! Ik heb hem! Ja, ich hab Fisch! Hol Fischer!
Ich aber auch! Oder was ist das? Nein! Das ist meine Schnur! Scheiß drauf!
Scheiß drauf!
Ja!
Kom her, kom her, kom her.
I got a lot of mistake bites and lose a lot of pikes directly in front of the boat, in front of the net.
For the
so,
net, huh?
Yeah.
One more day to go, and yeah, we hope for some bigger pikes, some pikes.
Over a meter?
Over
maybe?
a meter, maybe, but 80 is enough for us.
Yeah. Oh, das ist ein 90er! Woo!
Number 2.
Ja, geil!
deep, already know it's me, so what you asking for? Shorty bad and I just bought a bag and I ain't asking for it. She just bragging, I just send a jet to babe back out the port. We be fly, we be cashing out, come keep me company. Shorty bad, so I'm a good. Got diamonds on her teeth, treat her good, she know I'm a boss, I'ma keep it P. Brody told, you just pick a side, get her out his J. Feel the pressure when it come, with my heart on my sleeve. I can never ever fold, mama praying for a G. Gotta get it, gotta go, gotta grind to a B. If I want it, I'ma get it, cause the pressure on me. Let's go. Pick a side to go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Pick a side to go. Pick a side, yeah, yeah. Pick a side to go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Pick a side to get real. What's inside, gotta keep receipts. In the field, it be getting live, gotta keep the heat. 100 mil, you could die tonight, we don't get no sleep. Off a pill, this getting live, got me feeling geek. Get real. What's inside, gotta keep receipts. In the field, it be getting live, gotta keep the heat. 100 mil, you could die tonight, we don't get no sleep. Off a pill, this getting live, got me feeling geek. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Pick a side to go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Pick a side to go. Pick a side, yeah, yeah. Pick a side to go. Finally, let's go, let's go, Pick a side to go. Pick a side, pick a side. Pick a side to go. Pick a side. Yeah, yeah. Pick a side to go. Pick a side, pick a side. Pick a side to go.
Helt sjukt fiske.